on Vlogmas Day 2. Yes, we have wild bedhead in the morning. Just because I naturally have a lot, like, really wavy curly hair. We had to get up early this morning because we have things to do. And I just want to sleep or, like, stay home. I still have finished ready. Let's go see our reason for getting up early. Mahesh, my boyfriend, is a super early bird, and he's accustomed to taking care of our new little baby really in the morning. So. Morning, Bandaloy. Morning. Yeah, sit down. Woodley. Zorro. Woodley. It's Woodley. Stop being Woodley now. Stop being. Don't you want love and attention, like you? I have 5 new babies in total. First of all, starting with Fury and Bandit. They were the first 2 after my baby, Kenji. You all know Ken. We had Stitch. Yes, we named them Stitch after Lilo and Stitch. He's the big black one. We had Poodle. She was from another dog that we had downstairs, a family dog. And she was like the only pup that remained from the litter, so we kept her. And she's so cute and tiny. She's the only girl. And then the rest of them, we have the last and final, fifth and final member that we recently got is Zorro. We actually bought him. He's the only one that we actually bought, but everybody else came from family dogs, directly from Kenji. Let's do car talks. It's actually now 7 o'clock. As I mentioned before this morning, I'm headed to Shogunas. So this Christmas, guys, I've decided, because of a lot of other responsibilities and restraints on myself, some experiences to go out to do different things that is literally going to cost little to no money. I'm not going to be spending a lot of money. I'm really all into the Christmas spirit, but I'm just using what I have. I'm buying really small things. I'm placing a massive budget on myself. I'm just doing things, y'all. I have been planning gifts since the beginning of last month, and everything is in my carts. Honestly, it's in my carts. I have my list where I know exactly what I'm gonna buy for someone. I know exactly what it's gonna cost. I know exactly where I'm gonna get it, but I have not placed the order. I haven't done anything yet. Christmas is all about that love and care, appreciation, and focusing on the experiences, which has always been so much more important to me than just gifts and presents. So guys, it's minutes to 7. You can't see nothing because I'm black and already so dark, but the sky is so pretty. Coming down from after Shogunas, I went with my parents a little bit and then stopped at Super Farm. Mahesh wanted pharmaceuticals, but you'll know I had to check out the little Christmas stuff. Ended up not getting anything because I didn't see anything I like, and I went into a KFC drive-thru, which takes almost a whole flicking hour, but I didn't want to come out and go in because it already had a long line too. So we kind of almost home. I showed you guys my morning skincare routine. One of the only difference with this night care routine is that I put this face wax replenishing eye cream with ceramides, and then I have also this face wax night cream, and sometimes I use a gua sha, and I double up on the serum. So I have a caffeine serum and I have vitamin C serum, so I put the two. I literally put everything in the night because I need it to like sink in and absorb into my skin. It is now 7 p.m. Skincare on point, as you can see. We have such glowy skin. After Shogunas, I had lunch with my cousin, which was so nice to catch up and just talk for a little bit. That was so much fun. Checked my Errands. Signing off tonight with some editing and probably reading my book.